Hello and welcome to another MYHUB update video. In this update I'm going to introduce a new stock tab which is for customers who use our storage service. So if you store parts or equipment with ServiceSport, you'll now be able to view a live list of your stock held at our warehouses directly via the portal. And the tab doesn't just give you visibility of your stored items, but it also allows you to request stock to be assigned to new jobs that you create. And that should streamline operations and reduce manual admin. So first off, you'll notice at the top of the screen there's a tab on the horizontal bar for stock. Now you only have visibility of this if you've been enabled access to view a storage location. So we're going to click into this, and at the moment there's only one part showing on here. So to ensure that we've got the most up-to-date information, we'll need to synchronize our stock whenever we want to check it. So you'll notice over here in the right-hand corner there's a button to sync stock. So we're going to click on that, and that's going to pull the latest data from our system. And this can be done once every 15 minutes. So once it's finished synchronizing, the button's going to disappear and then it will reappear in about 15 minutes time. Now the limit's there by design. It's there to protect our server performance and avoid excessive traffic from repeat refreshes. So once it's synchronized, we'll be able to see a full list of part numbers, names and total stock. Now, while this feature is simple and intuitive from a customer's perspective, there's a great deal more going on behind the scenes. ServiceSport staff have a powerful set of tools in the back end, so they can manage and assign different storage locations to your account, and there'll be some expansion on this in the coming months. But from the user's perspective, you could have access to multiple storage locations. So you can use the filter options on here, and you can filter between all the different storage locations that you've been assigned. And then you've also got the availability to customize what's visible on the columns. So we can add storage device here if we want. We can see the different locations that things are stored. And then we've also got the ability to export the stock list as well. So we can click on export to download, and we can see that we can choose what columns we want to have visible, and then we can hit export. And you'll get a little notification to say the export has begun, and basically this will process in the background, and then you receive a notification with the download link once it's done. So keep an eye on the little notification bell up there. So it's relatively simple but powerful at the same time. But finally, there is another feature that if it is enabled for you, you'll be able to request stock whilst creating jobs. So we navigate back to the Jobs tab and we go over to Book a Job. With this enabled, you'll now have the ability to request stock down here. So you'll actually be able to add a stock item and to choose what it is, set the quantity, and then you'll be able to send that through. Now, it's worth noting that requesting a stock item at this stage is not actually automatically allocating the stock from the ServiceSport warehouse. The ServiceSport operatives still need to review and approve the request before the item is actually assigned to the job. So whilst you can see how much stock is actually available in this view, there will be a slight delay between your request and the operatives physically allocating the stock to that location. So what that means is if you've already requested an item on a different job, the quantities might show slightly higher than what's truly ready for use. So I hope you like this new feature. Please get in touch with our sales team if you'd like to know anything more about our services, or if you want to get online with MYHUB, and I'll see you in the next update video.